welcome to my channel. My name is Michonne Irises if it's your first time here. So today it's more like spend the day with me type of video where we'll be cleaning out the fridge. And yeah, let's start the day. Yay. my bed, the struggles of being single. Single life, my darlings. We sleep with water bottles. Also, my partners are not here. My boys, they're not here. It's still school holiday, so my boys are not here yet. I'm all alone this holiday. I've been alone this whole month of May. Yes, I've been alone. So yeah, guys, how have you been? From my side, I have been very busy at work, also resting a bit at home. So yeah, guys, today is the 26th of May. Just got back from work and quickly cooked some meat, which I burned. I burned the meat. Yeah, and the nice thing is the other day somebody gave me some red meat. Guys, at my house we mostly eat chicken, like 99% we eat chicken. So when I received the red meat, I decided I'm gonna eat it alone. So day one, I cooked the pieces. They were like 4 or 5 pieces, and guys, I finished it. Like, I did not even had any sides or anything extra, just meat. And today I cooked the last pieces, so which I'm going to eat alone before my boys comes back. So yeah, I'm enjoying the red meat. So I'm enjoying the meat, which I will be eating now. So yeah, I just came here to say hi because I haven't spoken to you guys. Yeah, so let me quickly go put this in bed. Nice and warm. And besides, your girl is also going through the monthlies, so I need some warmth. And dinner is served. This is what I'll be eating. Some bread with meat pieces. Welcome to yet another day in my vlog. Guys, we are going to eat donkey meat at the Mondesa Sports Stadium, me and my cousin. So come along, let's go. Eat some donkey. Let's get a couple of onions. Let's get a house. I'm running camera. I'm going to have to make the mirror. Look at this girl. Come say hi. Đây ông được người bà chó.
Hi guys. Hi lovies.
My loves.
My loves.
These are my loves.
We are going to Donkey Festival. We are going to do the thing.
How do we look at? Outfit check. What check? Tayo na check, you know?
Hairstyle check. Outfit check.
Girls with braids.
Ooh, but we don't do the nails, don't worry.
We are on and we are going. We are going. Let me show you to the stadium. Sige, top. Okay, guys, we went and now we are tired. It's so hot. So we decided we are gonna come back later. Oh, let me see the sun. We will come back later. The event is also quiet for now. So let's check later. Let's check later. For now, we are going somewhere. And then later. Đó có phải thật chưa hả? Sao sao giờ? Ask them cái ý vậy. Pesa.
Hi guys, change of location.
Doch ne? Yeah, let's go eat some KFC. Oh, my camera is dirty man off. Is it the light juga? Enggak, udah go. Hi my loves. It's another day in the vlog and we have a surprise. It's my baby's birthday tomorrow. He is turning 3 and I just came back from the shop. I went to buy him a balloon. Boy is turning 3 and we are having cake tomorrow. We are eating cake tomorrow. Yeah. So let me show you what I got him as his birthday present. Not the bread. Bread is for school. But guys, in case you don't know, this is the team I play for, Derif. So a little ad. If you want to start trading, if you are thinking of forex trading, yeah, guys, Derif is the broker for you. I will link the. I will put the link in the description in case you want to open your own trading account. But guys, Derif has been in the business for the longest time. It's reliable. I use it personally. I have started with Derif and have been using it. I don't have any problems so far. All is well. So link will be in my description in case you want to open your own trading account using Derif as the reliable, most trusted broker. Don't say I didn't plug you. Anyways, yeah, so I was eating some chocolate and I got myself these slides from Master Price. They were $89, $90. Got myself some slides. This time another color and not black. I love me some black. And then I got this. Guys, this morning, since tomorrow is Ama's birthday, I decided let me go get him something to wear tomorrow to school. A new outfit, you know, because it's the boys' day. So I've planned to go to Pep because that's where I have seen something that I've liked for him. But then this morning the Holy Spirit was like, girl, go to Ackermans. Girl, go to Ackermans. And then when I came to Ackermans, they were having a couple of items on sale for boys. I did not check the other side. I only checked for the boys because that's what I've come for, what I went for. Because if I start looking around, I will start seeing other things that I did not intend or wanted to see and then overspend. And in this economy, I can't afford to overspend. So I had a plan. I needed a jean for him, or a, what is this, pants that they wear. Some I needed a new pants for him and a new. Actually, I went to Ackermans to get him a jacket, which I have seen last time. It was on sale and whatnot, but obviously it was sold out. But then I got this for him. It's a nice jacket and it was on sale. Ooh, this one did not have the sticker, but I think it was 139, 140, marked down from 240, I think. Yeah, so I got, where's that? Let me check here. So it was marked down, yeah, 139. And then I did not find his size 2 to 3, so I took 3 to 4. He must grow into it. In this economy, he must grow into it, but I love it. And hence the theme for his birthday is a Spider-Man type of vibe, so I took the red one, and it was only the red one that was on sale, so everything just went well. Yeah. And then this pants, jean, it was also marked down from 220 to 120, 220 to 120. I got it for 120. And also I wanted to take 2 to 3, but then my boy is a tall boy, so I decided let me take 3 to 4. It's almost fast mark. Must fit. So I got it. It's also Amazing Spider-Man. It has a Spider-Man thing here. So yeah, that's what I got him for his birthday. The other things, it will be sorted by other people. Other people must buy for him presents and come eat the cake with the boy. Yeah, tomorrow I will show you the cake. It's a Spider-Man inspired themed cake. So yeah, that is what we are going to have tomorrow. Guys, I am so sorry for not being consistent like I would want to. Yeah, I don't know. But the other thing is also name. I only think of vlogging when after I have done something. It's like, oh, I was supposed to capture that, I have been dealing with that until today. I decided I am gonna, as soon as I get home, open this vlog and start shooting for tomorrow, which is Amma's 3rd birthday. Okay. So I will see you guys when we are cutting the cake. Don't worry, you are invited. Just come with a present and you can have a piece of cake. Good morning, my loves. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is Zander's birthday. So today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
The boy's birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yay. So guys, we are going out to, actually I'm going out to go exchange the clothes that I bought yesterday because they are way too big for him. So I'm going to exchange them and try and find a smaller size for him. So he's wearing his old outfits, but outfit is an outfit most. Huh? Happy birthday, Zander.
Happy birthday.
And we will eat cake later, ne? Yeah. So let's put on your shoes so you can go to school. Come. Oh, lift the things. Lift the things. Let's put on your shoes so you can go.
So, never. I'm so never. I'm so scared. I'm so scared, Mama.
Yay, as we are going. We are going. See you later, Admira. See you later. Yeah, when we are cutting the cake. Ooh. We are cutting the cake later. Okay, bye.
Bye.
What happened? Is it your cake? Yeah. Happy birthday. Is it your cake? Yeah.
Yeah, your phone is struggling with light.
This cake is big, ne? Even tall, they're going to be. You want cake? You want to eat your cake? You want to have your cake and eat it? Wait. Ada kekurangan berbaca nih. Someone's eye is gone. Someone's eye is gone. Okay, let's see the inside. Wait, let's see the inside.
Take a big bite. Just take a big bite. Take a biggest bite. Just take the biggest bite. Just take a big bite. Say wait, Zander. Not even gonna stand a chance. Wow, look at this kid. You're welcome. It's edible, but it's edible, okay? It's not.
Are you eating your cake? Let me see. Is it nice? Huh? Is it nice, baby?
I mean, oil out of my car.